All right, we're gonna do a video here of a 2016 BMW M4 collision repair that he was told it needed to have the fender replaced by every place he'd gone in town. Said that there's no way it could be fixed. He's getting quotes from anywhere from $2,300 to $2,700, and they're gonna need his car for a week or more. We got this car about 30-45 minutes ago. Kind of got some pictures, everything together, getting our repair started. We should have this thing done here in about 4.5 hours at the most. But if you take a look at this thing, I mean, trying to capture this in the picture, it's really beat up, and you got some pretty distinct indentions all the way through and creases. And then we actually have to where it has bent the metal from the impact here all the way back to here. So we're gonna have to basically rework that whole fender coming up. As you can see, it's a nice car. M4s are nothing to sneeze at, and it's meticulously maintained and looks great around everything else. That's the only damage he has, and he actually has this 60-day tag on it or 30-day tag on it still. So what we'll do is we'll post some videos of the repair. We're gonna have a time lapse that we're gonna do here, but wanted to get this started. We'll keep everybody up to date as that comes in. Once again, keep us in mind if you have any hail damage, if you have any big dents, dings, anything like that you need to get taken care of. We're definitely the company to come see. So we'll do this, put a time lapse up, and then I'll do an after video when we're all said and done. All right, guys, have a good day.